word holy in our research, I can't find a definitive etymological or historical link between the English word holy and the Greek word Helios, which is the name of the Greek sun deity or the Hindu festival, part of their Trinity worship. Holy spells H-O-L-I in honor of their Sun Mighty One, Krishna. However, there is irrefutable historical and etymological evidence that the word holy derived from the Germanic word helig, variant spelling thereof H-E-I-L or Hiel, which trace their origins back to the pagan Germanic Saxon deity Hel, H-E-I-L, the worship of which made its way into England via the Saxons and Celts. Example, Hail Hitler, Hail Zeus, Sila.